வெல்கம் டு ஆல். இன்றைக்கி நம்ம 8th சோஷியல் சமச்சீர் கல்வி ஹிஸ்ட்ரியில் யூனிட் 2 ஃப்ரம் ட்ரேட் டு டெரிட்டரி அந்த லெசனோட புக் பேக் கொஷின் ஆன்சர் மார்க் பண்ணலாம். ஓகே, ஃபஸ்ட்டு சூஸ் தி கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். தி ரூலர் ஆஃப் பெங்கால் இன் 1757 வாஸ். தி ஆன்சர் இஸ் ஸ்ரீராஜுதுல்லா. Then second question, the Battle of Plassey was fought in. The year is 1757. And then third question, which among the following treaty was signed after Battle of Buxar? The answer is Treaty of Allahabad. The Treaty of Pondicherry brought the Dash Carnatic War to an end. The answer is Second Carnatic War to an end. When did Hyder Ali crown on the throne of Mysore? The answer is 1761. And then sixth question, Treaty of Mangalore was signed between. The Treaty of Mangalore was signed between the British and Tipu Sultan. Who was the British Governor General during Third Anglo-Mysore War? Answer is Lord Cornwallis. Who signed the Treaty of Basin with the British? The answer is Baji Rao II. And the ninth question, who was the last Peshawar of Maratha Empire? So the last Peshawar of Maratha Empire was Baji Rao. Who was the first Indian state to join the subsidiary alliance? So subsidiary alliance la join ana first Indian state is Hyderabad. Next, fill in the blanks. So fill in the blanks mark pannalam. The Treaty of Alinagar was signed in. So the Treaty of Alinagar is signed in the year of 1757. The commander-in-chief of Srirajudullah was. So Srirajudullah oda commander-chief வந்து மீர் ஜாஃபர். MIRJAFAR மீர் ஜாஃபர். The main cause for the Second Carnatic War was. So the main cause of the Second Carnatic War is issue of succession. The issue of succession. SUCCESSION. The issue of succession is the main cause of the Second Carnatic War. And the fourth question, Dash adopted the policy of doctrine of lapse to extend the British Empire in India. The answer is Lord Dalhousie. DALHOUSIE, Lord Dalhousie. Then fifth question, Tipu Sultan was finally defeated at the hands of. So Tipu Sultan was finally defeated by the Arthur Wellesley. ARTHUR, Arthur Wellesley. WELLESLY, Arthur Wellesley. And the next question, after the death of Tipu Sultan, Mysore was handed over to Krishnaraja Udayar. Krishnaraja Udayar. ODAYAR. Krishnaraja Udayar. And the last question, in 1800, Dash established a college at Fort William in Calcutta. So Lord Wellesley. LORD, Lord Wellesley. WELLESLEY, Lord Wellesley. So Lord Wellesley is established the college at Fort William in Calcutta. And the next topic is match the following. Treaty of Aix-la-Chapelle. So the Treaty of Aix-la-Chapelle is signed for the First Carnatic War. Treaty of Salbai. So, Treaty of Salbai is signed for the First Maratha War. And the Treaty of Paris. Treaty of Paris is signed for the Third Mysore War. And the Treaty of Srirangapatnam. So, the Treaty of Srirangapatnam is signed for the Third Anglo-Mysore War. And the Treaty of Madras was signed for the First Anglo-Mysore War. And straight, true or false? After the death of Alivardi Khan, Siraj-ud-Dowla ascended the throne of Bengal. The answer is true. Hector Munro led the British force in the Battle of Plassey. False. The outbreak of the Austrian War of Succession in Europe was led to Second Carnatic War in India. False. Sir Elijah MP was the first Chief Justice of the Supreme Court at Fort William in Bengal. The answer is true. The police system was created by Lord Cornwallis. It's a true statement. And which one of the following is correctly matched? So here they give the some of the battles and that battle was fought in the year. Only one is the correct answer. You may choose which one is the correct answer. Battle of Adayar. It took place in the year of 1748. And the Battle of Ambur. The Battle of Ambur is took place in the year of 1754. And the Battle of Andiwash. It was took place in the year of 1760. And the Battle of Arcot was held in the year of 1749. And the correct answer is the Battle of Vanwas. It was fought in the year of 1760. And short answer. Write a short note on black hole tragedy. So, இதுக்கான ஆன்சர் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா black hole tragedy அப்படின்ட்டு நமக்கு ஹைலைட்டட் பார்ட் ஒன்று இருந்துச்சுல்ல. ஸோ அங்கே தான். ஸோ லெசனோட பிகினிங்கில் இருக்கும் பாருங்க. So, black hole tragedy. Answer. Hole tragedy. There was a small Dahan room in the Fort William in Calcutta, where troops of the Nawab of Bengal, Siraj-ud-Dowla, held 146 British prisoners of war for one night. Next day morning, when the door was opened, 123 of the prisoners found dead because of suffocation. So, இதுதான் வந்து உங்களுடைய first short answerக்கான answer. And in second question, what were the benefits derived by the English after the Battle of Plassey? So, இதுக்கான answer பார்த்தீங்கன்னா next pageல இருக்குது. So, Battle of Buxar அப்படின்ற வந்து after the Battle of Plassey in 1757, the company was granted undistributed right to have free trade in Bengal, Bihar and Orissa. So, இதான் வந்து second questionக்கான answer. And then third question, mention the causes for the Battle of Buxar. So, இதுக்கான answer same paragraphல next paragraphல இருக்குது. Third lineல Mir Qasim soon revolted as he was angry with the British for misusing the districts. Districts means free duty pass. So, இதான் வந்து third short answerக்கான answer. And then fourth question, what were the causes for the first Mysore War? So, causes for the first Mysore War. So, next page la ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆங்கிலோ மைசூர் வார் அப்படின்னு இருக்குல்ல, அதுக்கு கீழே காசஸ் அப்படின்னு 2 பாயிண்ட்ஸ் தான் வந்து உங்களுடைய 4th கொஸ்டினுக்கான ஆன்சர். ஹைதர் அலிஸ் growing power and his friendly relation with the French became a matter of concern for the English East India Company. The Marathas, the Nizam and the English entered into a triple alliance against Hyder Ali. So இதான் உங்களுடைய 4th short answerக்கான answer. And then 5th question, bring out the results of the 3rd Maratha war. So 3rd Maratha war ஆன result. So இதனுடைய answer ஸோ இங்கே ரிசல்ட்ஸ்ன்னு போட்டு ஒரு 4 வந்து உங்களுடைய 5th ஷார்ட் ஆன்சருக்கான ஆன்சர். தி மராத்தா கான்ஃபிடென்சி வாஸ் dissolved and Peshawar-ship was abolished. Most of the territory of Peshawar Bajirao II was annexed and became part of the Bombay Presidency. The defeat of Bhonsle and Holkar also resulted in the acquisition of the Maratha kingdoms of Nagpur and Indore by the British. The Bajirao II, the last Peshawar of Maratha, was given an annual pension of 8 lakh rupees. So இதான் வந்து உங்களுடைய 5th short answerக்கான answer. And then 6th question, name the states signed in to subsidiary alliances. ஸோ இந்த கொஷினுக்கான ஆன்சர் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த லெசனோட சப்சிடரி ஆன்சர்ஸ் இருக்குல்ல, ஸோ இந்த ஹைலைட்டட் தான் வந்து இந்த கொஷின். Indian state to accept the subsidiary alliances was Hyderabad 1798. It was followed by Tanjore 1799, Awadh 1801, Peshawar 1802, Bhonsle 1803, Gwalior 1804, Indore 1817, Jaipur, Udaipur and Jodhpur 1818. இதான் உங்களுடைய 6th ஷார்ட் ஆன்சருக்கான ஆன்சர். தென் இப்போ நம்ம டீட்டெயில் மார்க் பண்ணலாம். பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 4 இருக்குது. ஸோ இந்த 4 டீட்டெயில்ஸுமே இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் தான். ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டீட்டெயில், ரைட் அண்ட் எஸ்ஏ ஆன் செகண்ட் கர்நாடிக் வார். ஸோ செகண்ட் கர்நாடிக் வாரை பற்றி ஒரு எஸ்ஏ ரைட் பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ செகண்ட் கர்நாடிக் வார்ன்னு இருக்குல்ல, அந்த டாபிக் எடுத்துக்கோங்க. ஸோ செகண்ட் கர்நாடிக் வார், ஸோ இதில் வந்து இந்த பேராகிராஃப் ஃபுல்லாகவே the main cause of this war was the issue of succession in Carnatic and Hyderabad. Anwaruddin Khan and Chanda Shah were the 2 claimants to the throne of Carnatic, whereas Nasir Jahan and Mufazzar Jahan were claimants to the throne of Hyderabad. The French supported Chanda Shah and Mufazzar Jahan, while the British supported the other claimants with the objective of keeping their interest and influence in the entire Deccan region. And then Battle of Ambur. So Battle of Ambur வந்து ஃபுல்லாகவே இருக்கிற அந்த 2 பேராகிராஃப் ஃபுல்லாகவுமே நம்ம Battle of Ambur. Finally, Dupleix, Chanda Shah and Mufazzar Jahan formed a grand alliance and defeated and killed Anwaruddin Khan, the Nawab Carnatic, on 3rd August 1749 in the Battle of Ambur. Muhammad Ali, the son of Anwaruddin, failed to Trishnapalli. Chanda Shah became the Nawab of Carnatic and rewarded the French with the grant of 80 villages around Pondicherry. In the Deccan too, the French defeated and killed Nasir Jahan and made Mufazzar Jahan as the Nizam. The new Nizam gave ample rewards to the French. He appointed Dupleix as the governor of all the territories in south of the river Krishna. Muzaffar Jahan was assisted by his own people in 1751. Salbat Jahan, brother of Nasir Jahan, was raised to the throne by Bussy. Salbat Jahan granted the northern Sarkars, excluding the Guntur district, to the French. The power was at its zenith by that time. And then Battle of Arcot, Robert Clive defeated. Second detail. Robert Clive defeated first detail continuation. Robert Clive defeated the French at Arani and Kaveri Park with the assistance of Major General String Lawrence. Chanda Shah was killed in Trichy. Muhammad Ali was made the Nawab of Arcot under British protection. The French government recalled Dupleix to Paris. So, this is first detail answer. So, write an essay on Second Carnatic War. Second Carnatic War write panni. Battle of Ambur full write panni. Battle of Arcot la second paragraph varku ninga write pannu. And then second question, give an account of the fourth Anglo-Mysore War. And then fourth Anglo-Mysore War patti or detail. So Mysore இது வந்து நீங்க Mysore war னு ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகல. So இங்க ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணோம். Tipu Sultan did not forget the humiliating treaty of Srirangapatna imposed upon him by Cornwallis in 1790. And then அதனுடைய causes. Tipu sought alliance with foreign powers against the English and sent ambassadors to Arabia, Turkey, Afghanistan and the French. Tipu was in correspondence with Napoleon, who invaded Egypt at the time. The French officers to Srirangapatna, where they founded a Jacobin club and planned and then அதனுடைய Wellesley declared war against Tipu in 1799. The war was short and decisive. As planned, the Bombay army under General Stuart invaded Mysore from the west. The Madras army, which was led by the Governor General's brother Arthur Wellesley, forced Tipu to retreat to his capital Srirangapatna. On 4th May 1799, Srirangapatna was captured. Tipu fought and was killed finally. Thus ended the fourth Mysore War, and the whole of Mysore lay prostrate before the Mysore after the war. The English occupied Patnam. Krishnaraja Odiyar of the former Hindu royal family was brought to the throne. Tipu's family was sent to the fort of Vellore. So, இது வரைக்கும் உங்களுடைய second detailக்கான answer. Third detail. Describe the policy adopted by Lord Dalhousie to expand the British Empire in India. So, இந்த questionக்கான answer பார்த்தீங்கன்னா doctrine of lapse இல்ல. So, வந்து full so lapse. He adopted a new policy known as doctrine of lapse to end British Empire. He made use of this precedent and declared in 1848 that if the native rulers adopted children without the prior permission of the company, Only the personal properties of the ruler would go to the adopted son, and the kingdom would go to the British paramount power. This principle was called the doctrine of Lapsey. It was bitterly opposed by the Indians, and it was one of the root cause for the Great Revolt of 1857. So, இதான் வந்து உங்களுடைய third detailக்கான answer. And in fourth detail, how did Lord Wellesley expanded the British power in India? So, how Lord Wellesley expanded his British power in India? Subsidiary ஒரு டாபிக் அதை எடுக்கோங்க. Lord Wellesley introduced the system of subsidiary alliances to bring the princely status under the control of the British. It was the most effective instrument for the expansion of British territory and political influence in India. The princely state was called the protected state, and the British came to be referred as the paramount power. So, இது பண்ணிட்டு and then அடுத்தது subsidiary alliances. So, அதில் வந்து இந்த 6 points to these alliances with British had to dissolve his own armed force and accept British force. A British resident would stay in his capital. Towards the maintenance charge of the army, he should make annual payments or cede some territory permanently to the company. All non-English European officials should be turned out of his state. The native ruler should deal with foreign states only through the English company. The British would undertake to defend the state from internal trouble as well as external attack. நம்மளுடைய fourth detail மார்க் பண்ணியாச்சு. ஸோ இதான் வந்து உங்களுடைய history unit 2 from trade to territory. இதனோட book back question and answer. Thank you for watching and subscribe my channel.